In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the origin error related to the missing file Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Runtime-L1-1-1-0.Dll. This common issue can prevent you from launching certain applications, particularly origin games, and today I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it in just 5 minutes. First, we'll want to head to the official Microsoft website. This step is crucial because it ensures we're downloading the most secure and updated software directly from the source. I'll provide a direct link in the description for easy access. Once you're on the website, you'll need to find the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. This package contains the DLL file that your system is currently missing. After you've located the Visual C++ redistributable, click to download it. Pay close attention here because you want to select the appropriate file for your specific system architecture. If you're unsure about whether you have a 64-bit or 32-bit operating system, you can check this information in your system settings under About Your PC. However, for those of you who already know, select vcredist.exe if you're running a 64-bit Windows and vcredist.exe if you're on a 32-bit Windows machine. Getting the right file here is essential for the installation to work correctly. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and run it. The installation process is pretty straightforward. You'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them if you like, and then go ahead and click on Install. The installation process will then begin and may take a couple of minutes, so be patient while it works its magic. After the installation finishes, there's one final but crucial step, restarting your computer. This step ensures that all changes take effect and your system can recognize the newly installed components. Once your computer has rebooted, you should find that your previous issues with missing DLL files are resolved and your applications, including Origin, should run smoothly. And there you have it. A quick and easy solution to fixing the origin error caused by that pesky missing DLL file. If you followed these steps carefully, you should now be able to get back to gaming without any additional hurdles. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.